Alright, so let's start with paragraph 1, population. First thing we have to do is define the target population and sample population. Okay, so the target population is where you're actually getting the people from. Okay, and then the sample population are the people who actually qualify for your study. Okay, so one is the larger population that you're pulling from to meet the criterion for your study. And then you're going to state the approximate size of the target population. Alright, so let's look at an example. So the target population for this study was IT personnel and school administrators, including office and support staff working for K through 12 institutions in the state of Ohio. Okay, so again, it's IT personnel working at K through 12 institutions in the state of Ohio. That's the target population. According to the Ohio Department of Administrative Services, there are a total of 20,400 K through 12 staff members in the state of Ohio. The sample, however, consisted of IT personnel and school staff and administrators of regionally accredited K through 12 institutions. Okay. The sampling design for this study was in a single stage. Okay, so K through 12 IT professionals in the state, but only from accredited K through 12 institutions. So that's the population and then the sample. All right. All right. So that's all you have to do for population. So write your population, and then we'll go on to describe the actual sample.